In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal without card. This method is perfect if you don't want to link your personal credit card, debit card, or bank account, but you still want to make payments online using PayPal. The key idea here is that the only way to do this is by using a gift card that works like a prepaid card, and then adding that gift card to your PayPal account as if it were a regular card. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard by signing into your account. Once you're on your main account summary page, take a moment to make sure everything looks correct and that you're in the right account you want to use for this purchase. Now, keep in mind that PayPal won't let you pay directly without any funding source. Since we're not using a traditional card or bank account, we'll use a gift card that has a card number, an expiration date, and a security code. This could be, for example, a prepaid Visa, MasterCard, or similar card that you've purchased or received. From your PayPal dashboard, look for the wallet option, usually at the top of the page or in the main menu. Click on Wallet. This is where all your payment methods are stored, including cards and bank accounts. Inside the wallet, you'll see an option that says Link a card or bank. Go ahead and click on that. Even though it mentions a bank, we're only going to be adding a card. Next, choose the option that says Link a credit card. Don't worry that it says credit card. This is also where you add most prepaid and gift cards that behave like regular payment cards. You'll now see a form asking for card details. Click into the card number field and carefully type in your gift card number exactly as it appears on the card. Then move to the expiration date field and enter the month and year shown on the gift card. After that, click into the CVV or security code field and enter the 3-digit code, usually found on the back of the card. Below that, you'll see a billing address drop-down. Open it and select the correct billing address that matches what's associated with your gift card. If needed, add or update an address so it matches. Finally, click on Link Card. If everything has been entered correctly, PayPal will add your gift card to your wallet, and you can now use it to pay through PayPal without linking your personal card or bank account.